Hello, this is AKMS. Today we're going to do some basic geometry, the geometry of foundations that's gonna help us to understand some obvious stuff. Alright, okay, let's get into parallel lines. Okay, on the definition of parallel lines, we have two lines. Let it be line 1 and another line, line 2. So if these two lines never intersect each other under any circumstances, line 1 goes this way or this way, line 2 goes, of course, the same to the right or to the left, doesn't matter. They never intersect from the right or from the left, never. Then these two lines, we call them to be parallel lines. Okay, so never intersecting line, never intersect. So these two lines never intersect. Second, perpendicular lines. Parallel lines, perpendicular lines. Okay, perpendicular lines are the lines that they intersect each other under this specific angle. All right, under this specific angle, and this angle, I'm gonna prove it why it's 90 degrees. Okay, so any other two lines that intersect each other, they are not parallel. Okay, parallel lines are the lines that they never intersect. Any other lines that intersect each other, meet each other, they meet each other at some angle. Specific angle, it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees, we're going to prove it why it's 90 degrees. This specific lines, and we call this perpendicular lines. Okay. All right. In order to prove it, we're gonna apply the circle. Okay, we have a circle with a center, let it be O. By convention, we accept the one rotation of the circle to be 360 degrees. In radian, it's 2 pi. Okay. So why specific 360 degrees? I'm going to talk about this a little bit later, maybe in my other videos. Okay. Now, we know that the lines, okay, is a straight. The line can be not straight. The line can be curved, the line can be straight. Okay, if the line is straight, let it be some line, we can divide, right? We can divide the circle. Division means you divide any object into equally parts. Okay, if we divide by 2, all right, we're gonna divide the object, in our case it's circle, into 2 equally parts, and if we divide it, we get this line. Okay, we get a line. Okay, we get a line. This is the line. And what is degrees? This degree, it's gonna be 360 because it's a circle. Divided by 2, and it's a simple algebra. We get 180 degrees. So the angle of the straight line is 180 degrees. So let's do another division. Okay, if we divide by 4 equally parts, by 4 equally parts, we get this kind of a two intersected line, which is very resembling something from the top, from the above that I was talking about. Okay, so but we get some angle, let it be this angle, and we calculate it easily. 360, because it's a circle, we divide it into 4 equally parts. Okay, so 360 divided by 4, it's 90 degrees. Okay, this specific angle to be 90, and we have the specific geometry symbol for that, 90 degrees. And this is the small like this. We can do it here, here, here. All these are 90 degrees. Okay, another definition of 90 degrees, it's either perpendicular lines or the right angle. So right angle, perpendicular lines. Okay. Thank you very much.